Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a reliable destination and getting the phone ready. Plug into power and use the original cable because flaky connections corrupt images. If you plan a PC image, enable USB debugging now. For cloud, choose an encrypted service. Once connected, open your chosen backup tool and select a full device image, not just files, that preserves partitions and boot data. Make sure to name the backup with date and model so you can find it later. You now create the full image. Start the imaging process and include internal storage, system, boot, vendor, and any other partitions the tool lists. That guarantees a restorable state. While imaging, monitor transfer speed and errors and avoid traffic-heavy apps. Once finished, compute and save a SHA-256 checksum. It proves integrity when you restore. If storing off-device, encrypt the image with a strong passphrase. This prevents exposure. You finish by verifying restorability. Restore the image to a test device or emulator and confirm boot and apps function. This step validates the entire process. After verification, keep at least 2 copies in separate locations, one local, one offsite, and document the encryption password safely. If a restore fails, first compare checksums, then recheck cable connections, bootloader lock state, and tool logs for I/O errors. If needed, repeat imaging after resolving hardware or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.